Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First method of installation is by using the package manager. Use the following command to install Dino on your server. Also, you can using flatpak to install Dino on your server. First, you need to install flatpak. Next, with flatpak ready for working, you can then add the flathub repository. And finally install the Dino. Well, what you need to do right now is to go to your desktop and access Dino by the main menu. Next, set up the account and you can start working with that. That's it. If you have any questions, leave them in comments.